Okay. Here's the unboxing of Best Deal. 48 shots. Mississippi Gambler. 48 shells. Supposed to be 8 too. Okay. Alright. Here's the box. Yeah. Each of them individually packed. That's pretty cool. We got 6 shots in each one. Must be used in water. Let's see effect at all. Really? Pretty heavy cans. Flame balls. How's it? Let me see what to do. Pretty solid, fiberglass too. Probably a 12-incher. Got one quick plug in. So, let's see if it was any rebranding. Nope. It is just fiberglass too, but they're wrapping it. Pretty cool wrap. Best Deal. 48 shots, 138 bucks. Sheldon Fireworks. I got this one from Alabama, but I'm pretty sure that all the Sheldon Fireworks carry the same thing. So I'll shoot a few off. I'll post that video with this and all the other stuff I got over there in my car. I got about $400 worth of fireworks from there. And got free fireworks. So every time you buy at Sheldon's, you get free fireworks. Everything you buy. Pretty good deal. Pretty good quality of what I've seen. A lot of the stuff looks older, but it still shoots fine. Never had a misfire yet. But I'll shoot some of these off and I'll let you know. Mississippi Gambler, big deal. You wanna watch? You ready, Blondie? Are you ready now? You'll have to walk over to the edge of the porch to see it, probably. All right, here it goes. Mississippi Gambler, big deal is what these are. All right, step off the porch and watch this next one. You ready? Just step down on the stairs. All right, here you go. They hit pretty good, don't they mean? Oh yeah.
It's 12.
10.
12 like a
9. 8.
I'm gonna go
7. 6.